Hello, welcome to another class arena video tutorials on PHP. Today I'll be taking you on PHP Constant. Alright, so a constant is an identifier or a name for a simple variable. The value cannot be changed during script execution. The value constant name starts with a letter or the underscore. No $sign before the constant name. Unlike variables, constants are automatically global variables across the entire script. Alright? So how do we create a constant? We use the word define function. Let's see syntax. We start with the word define, a name, the value, and then the case, the true or false. On default, this place is false. Alright, so let's see an example. So let us define some of these parameters. A name, you can see, specify the name of the constant. Value, specify the value of the constant. And the case sensitive, specify whether the constant should be true or false as case sensitive. Alright. At default, like I said, is what? At default, this area is at default this case sensitive is false. Alright. So let's say, for example, just like we said right there, so we use the word define followed by the name. This is the name of the constant, and then what? The value, and this is the value. We can choose to omit the last one, which is case sensitive. It's automatically assigning it to the default. So that is why we can print this one as this. Alright. So let's go ahead and see an alternative example. Okay, like this. We have the same thing defined, greetings with capital letter, and then we say welcome to class arena video tutorial. Because we have true, because we want it to be case sensitive. Alright. So at this point now, when we say echo greetings, it will give us an error telling us this greetings in small letters is not defined. Greeting rather in small letter is not defined. Alright. Like we said, constants are global variables. They are automatically assigned to the entire script. Alright. So let's see an example. So in this case, we define the constant here, and we assign the value to the greeting. And welcome to class arena video tutorial is our value. Because remember, the case sensitive is always on default false. And then we have there, we now define a function my test, and we say echo greeting. And as you can see, because it is a global variable, a global in nature, a global scope, we'll be able to get it right there. And by the time we print out, you see how it is. Welcome to class arena video tutorial. Right? Very simple as that. If you have any questions, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get any feedback, and subscribe so you can get my subsequent video. Alright. Never mind, this is just an introductory part of it, so you just get to know what we need to the basics before we dive into the programming entirely. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. See ya.